Alright, this is a water line replacement for a apartment complex. 2.5 inch water line. We're going to sleeve it with 4.5 inch schedule 40. 2.5 inch water line. It's a strange size. Anyway, that's it. It's a tough one. I'm going to redo all this in here and hook it up to this new valve. That's it. Water line replacement. Whew. Anyway, we'll see. We'll be sleeving it with a 4.5 inch. I don't know if I said that already. We got some of it on there already. We're fixing to test her out. That's what that's for. We're gonna test it, pressure test it. Anyway, we'll see.